This spicy chicken dish is one of my mom's go-to recipe for a simple and spicy dish to enjoy at home. It's an easy-to-make dish that tastes awesome with rice. I'm going to show you my mom's tips and tricks to make this easy dish. Let's get to it. Ingredients we need today are diced boneless chicken thigh, scallion, minced garlic and ginger, soy sauce, sugar, vinegar, rice wine, and spicy chili oil. First off, we're going to start with marinating the chicken with rice wine, soy sauce, grapeseed oil, and vinegar. You can trim off any extra fat while you mix the chicken. Heat up the pan. Here we're using grapeseed oil. Cook the chicken about half cooked. Put it back in the bowl and set aside. Now cook the garlic, green onions, and ginger until fragrant. Next, add in the spicy chili oil. You can even add more chili oil if you like. Put the half-cooked chicken back in. Cook for a little bit more. And add in 2 to 3 teaspoons of sugar. Then let the chicken cook for a few more minutes while continuing to toss the chicken. Add in a little bit of dark soy sauce to add in more color to the dish. After the chicken is cooked thoroughly, you are done. This is Steph. Thanks for watching.